Hi. In the last sessions that we learned some of the features about aggregations and descriptive statistics. In this lesson we learn co comparison calculations. Let us come back to the browsers. So this is the report that I have edited, the report that we have created in the last sessions. In the last session, total sales, average sales, profit, minimum sales, maximum sales, all these things were there, and there was only one matrices that we have used, that is called subcategory. Okay, how many subcategories are there? There are 17 subcategories. Against the subcategories, so total sales, average sales, that we selected the matrices and accordingly we had the report. Okay, in this lesson, that what we are going to do, we will see some of the comparison. We'll see some of the comparisons. You see, so let us see, this is called total sales. Okay, so that then in the last session, so we have learned all these features. Here we have one, let us see, one option is there, this is called comparison calculation. Let us see, these two columns are same, you see, against the bookcase cases subcategory, this is 294396. Okay, this is also 294396, both the columns are same. Okay, so there are some of the features that we are going to learn here. Let us learn. So you see, percent of the total. Okay, percent of the total, there is one option is there here, it is percent of the total. What does it mean? Let us see. So let us that what for the data to load up, you see. So total sales, what is the total sales? You see, total sales, we will see. Yes, so total sales is this, that what we did, we clicked on the summer row, we got the total sales. Okay, so this is the total sales. Okay, so after what we have selected here, let us see. So what we have in comparison matrices, what we have seen, so total sales relating to corresponding data, here we have selected percentage. So therefore you see, total sales is this. So this is the total sales, grand total sales. So this is the sales against the book cases 294396. Okay, so what percentage of this 294396 of this grand total? Okay, this is called 12. Accordingly it has responded to the that corresponding sales. So take for example that book cases is 12.54, then copiers it is 12.3935. So then this is in descending order, we have, since we have selected in descending order, the data is already in descending order. Okay, so let us see, then next another features, let us learn another features. This is normally frequently used, this percentage of total. Then another feature is there, percentage difference from total. Let us see, what is this percentage difference from total? You see, so what is the difference between this figure? Suppose take for example subcategory, it is 294396. So 294396 minus this. Okay, so this is the percentage that we have got. Okay, so this has come in percentage because we have selected this in percentage. Okay, so then we can see also another features, that is called percent difference from total related to corresponding data. Percentage difference from total, let us see. Yes, this is the difference that we have found. Okay, so this is the difference that we have found, that means this comprises of 12 point something. Okay, this is the difference that we have found. Then we have percent of marks. Let us see the report. So percent of CC, this is the maximum cell. This is the maximum cell. Maximum cell has been taken as the 100%, therefore it is 100%. So in comparison to the maximum cell, so copiers is 290081. This is just 98.53% of the total 100%. This is how it is calculated. Suppose when it comes to phone, so it is 282,559 is of 294,396. This is just 96.98%. So this is, so percentage, this is similarly you can see the difference from marks relative to corresponding. You see this is the figure that we can get, this is the minus figure because this minus, so accordingly it has come. So this is, it has been taken as total, it has been taken as total. Okay. Total, that means this is 294,396 minus same figure is 0. So when in the second, in case of copiers, 290,081 minus 294,396, this is the figure that we are getting, minus 4,315. This is how we can make comparison calculations. Okay. So then difference from the percentage difference from the percent difference from marks relating to corresponding that cells. So this is how it comes, you can see. So this is how actually we can make that comparison calculation. This is important basically, that when we have certain kind of figures like sales, it may be profits, so what is the percentage that we are getting and in comparison to that various parameters. Okay. So this is for these lessons. So we will see a few more features in the next. So running calculations mostly we will see in the next lessons. Thank you.